Did you know that 15 minutes can save you 15% on Guido?
Yeah, everyone knows that, girl.
Well, did you know that when a Guido hits a golf ball into the woods, he's cheating?
Oh shit, there's the ball.
Paulie, what are you doing in there? Taking a shit?
Oh my god, I found it! It's on the green! What a fucking shot!
I'll help you're not fucking cheating, Paulie.
Would I cheat? Come on.
Guido.
It's a 60s thing. I feel groovy. Credits, colors, blackness, flowers, psychedelic music, lava lamps. I feel groovy. It's a 60s thing.